and I'm very excited about this new project. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bumi. This is T Bumi's Living. It's been a while since I vlogged, but I have something amazing to share with you because there's lots of changes going to happen to my channel. My channel is about lifestyle of healthy living, fitness, good food, cooking. Recently I decided to start an organic garden because I care about what is going into my belly, and I just want to be growing my own vegetables. So I'm going to be sharing with you some of these things that I'm doing. Actually, I have already started planting some seeds like pepper seeds, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. They are still seedlings and I've had them for like 8 to 10 weeks now. So very soon I'll be planting them in the garden. My new tools that I recently bought for my garden. This one is a seed and cutting tray. It contains small pots like this. This will be where I'll be nursing the plants from the beginning, and then I will transfer to the raised bed in the backyard. So this is one, and I also have this one, which is a set of four trays. I got these pots also. These are bigger than the other set. So I'm gonna have these pots also with soil inside, and I can have them in my kitchen where I'll be growing in the nursery. I plan to grow organic seeds like cucumber. This is actually courgette, marrows. This is tomatoes, organic. This is broccoli. This is cucumber, and this is cilantro. So everything I'm going to use for my garden is going to be organic. Like this is a biologic soil for potting. This particular one is for herbs, while this one is for vegetables. So when the seeds start well, they are going to grow very healthy. And that is what my plan is. I prepared already a raised garden bed where I will be transplanting all my seedlings after I have nursed them in my kitchen. And then also I have some container planting as well. I have planted some pineapples from the last season of pineapple that we had so much. And then what I'm going to be doing now in my channel is to share with you how I do my garden. And it's good that you're starting with me from the beginning to see how it develops my garden, because I'm planning to be eating from my garden, and I'm very excited about this new project. I'm going to also be sharing with you my fitness journey, which actually was the beginning of my channel. That's how I started my channel, trying to lose belly fat, which I'm grateful that it has been working for me. It's still in progress, it's not a complete thing. My channel is to motivate people like myself and inspire to live a healthy lifestyle. So I'm sharing with you all these things: my garden, my cooking, my healthy living. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to do it to achieve a good health for my age. So my dear fellows, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I'm happy to share with you this content. So I'll see you in my next one.